So this is the Computer Game Science Capstone project class. This is the culmination of the CGS students' bachelor degree career. This is hopefully the crowning sort of item in their portfolio moving forward. They've had 2 quarters to work on these games, so they've had 20 weeks. They've been working with the same teams for 20 weeks.
We're Team Raid, and this is our game Stacked. It is a 4-player co-op boss fighting game. It's big thanks to our mentors, Tim Ford and Derek Duproff, for helping us with making this game as great as it could be.
Hi, we're Team International. We're the only one online multiplayer game here. So that's pretty much like a Diablo. Special thanks to our mentor, Derek.
We have Space Wizards, which is a big game of sumo in space and various other environments. Special thanks to Tim Ford and to Paul Keat.
So hi, we're Team Scumstone, and our game is Monochrome Memories. It's a 2D puzzle platformer which uses cards to interact with the world, and it tells the story of 2 kids going through their parents' divorce, and they're trying to come together through the different 2 worlds, and they can interact between them.
Hi, we're Team Swan Song. My name's Hal. We'd like to give a shout out to Professor Tenbaum, Anders, and Barrett from Blizzard for helping us make this game. What we have for you guys to play today is a 2D action side-scroller in which you will play as the King and Exiled Cygnus.
So Pan Fried Panic is an Android cooking game where it's 2v2, so you team up with one other person to make as much food as you can. We'd like to give a thank you to our mentors Ben and Crash, and also our music person Vincent.
Hi, we're the organization. First off, we'd like to thank Ben and Kevin, as well as the other mentors who jumped in a little bit to help us out first quarter a lot. They really helped us. Our game is a 2D platformer and fighter. The premise of our game is that an evil wizard has destroyed the multiverse and sort of crashed everything together.
We are Team Caliban. I am Zach. The game we brought today is Monster v. Hunters. Monster v. Hunters is an asymmetrical top-down arena battle game.
Corrupted as essentially a side-scrolling co-op beat-em-up style game representing that tabletop game. Big thanks to the Blizzard mentors for helping us out. We've got a lot of amazing input from them, so our game wouldn't be where it is without them.
We're Team Runeforge. I'm Chris. First, I guess I want to say thanks to our mentors, Derek and Julia, for helping us a lot. Also, special thanks to Crash, who helped out once, who did a fantastic job. Also, thanks to everyone else who's not in the class for coming out and seeing what we did. It means a lot to us. So, what Runeforge is it's a crafting game where you're in a magical world, and you're making magical items and enchantments for the citizens and adventurers of that world, and you're selling them in your store.
So we're Team Platforming Guns. My name's Daniel. It's a 2D action platformer that you can't jump. Instead, you use 2 types of weapons, a machine gun-like weapon and a shotgun-like weapon. You use their recoil to move around the world and to actually combat. That's our game. I hope you guys come check it out. Really appreciate it. Thank you for coming.
And we're also really lucky to have guests from Blizzard Games here with us. I want to give a big thank you to the Blizzard mentors who've sort of given us their time and their expertise.